I was a sort of nerdy, wonkish, nonfiction kind of kid. I remember the copy of Thoreau's Walden that I had even in junior high school with the dog-eared pages and underlined quotations. I'm Chris Field. I'm the director of the Stanford Woods Institute for the Environment, which I'm thrilled is part of the new Stanford Doerr School of Sustainability. Most of my childhood memories are associated with places that seemed, at least to a 10-year-old, they seemed like wilderness. My father, who didn't come from any kind of financial means, wanted to own his own sawmill, and sawmills cost less when the trees are smaller and farther apart. After a few years in California, we moved to Arizona. The trees were still too big and close together. Then we moved to western Wyoming, still too big and close together. Then we moved to eastern Wyoming, where they were really small and far apart, and that was where he could afford to buy a sawmill and where the family kind of settled down. I was in high school in the 1960s, so we really didn't have a clear appreciation that the natural world was really deeply at risk, especially in a holistic context. And so I would say that I came to nature more as a nature lover than as a nature champion and protector. My PhD research was focused on understanding how an individual plant coordinates functions across the leaves on that plant. Global ecology is still very much my home discipline, but as time has gone on, I've shifted much more of my focus to thinking about climate solutions. When I look at the climate crisis, I see two things. I see the defining challenge of our era, but I also see a tremendous number of opportunities. And one of the things I'm most excited about is capitalizing on the historic success that Stanford has had in building tech ventures, tracing back to Hewlett and Packard, and recognizing that for sustainability, we're going to need a whole different range of kinds of ventures. Solutions in the future are going to require universities to think and act very differently. I'm excited to be a part of this effort to really contribute to impact at scale as a result of the scholarship we do, as a result of the people we train and the partnerships we form.